evening, my diamond art peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you so much for your continuing support. So this is probably just going to be a really short video. I'm going to do a completion, and then I do have one canvas that I got from Temu that I'm going to share with you guys. I hope everybody is doing good this evening. It is Monday, January the 30th. It is cold in Oklahoma, and we're under winter advisory and all that fabulous stuff. So no telling how the weather is going to be like when I get up in the morning to go to work. So, but anyway. So this first is it's the completion. This is my last canvas for hashtag DP Big Butts 23 that is being hosted by Sharon from Pencil Surprises and also co-hosted by Diamond Grandma. So, and I talked to you guys, if you remember, I said I was going to do a gnome every month for the year of 23. So this is my first completion of my gnome, and also will double as my big butts. So I think it came out really great. Now I got this canvas at Amazon, and this is a 30 by 45. No, I'm sorry. It's a 40 by 40, 27 colors, and this is a square. And it really, I thought, turned out really good. The only enhancements that I did, which is not really big, is that in the antennas here, I use DP with Sparklers Black, the 310s. So it just made it a little shinier, but that was it. That was the only enhancement that I did. Other than that, the rendering is really good. Now, because these are, I guess maybe because they're from a budget company, some of the drills were kind of concave, but they fit really well. Other than that, I mean, very little, no popping at all. And I don't know if you can see that there is some gapping, but not really bad. You can see it more when you turn the light on, and it's probably not showing as well. But other than that, I thought it was really good. I started this on the 1st of January and finished it today. This is my third. No, I'm sorry. I started this on the 8th of January and finished it today. So this is my third full canvas for 2023. And I really like it. It says, "Be kind." I know Diamond Grandma will love this because she loves bees. So I was really, really pleased. It was a lot of confetti, some color blocking like in the hat and up here in the wings, but around the sides and also the checkerboard here was just all a lot of confetti. Lots of confetti. But in the beard was color blocking. In the white, this is actually really kind of white with like a blue tint to it. There was color blocking, but not other than that. I really enjoyed working on it. Like I said, no popping. The drills were, as far as trash, very little trash. And even with the drills being concave, it really still wasn't that bad. So, all right. So that is it. So now, the next event that is going to be hosted by Diamond Grandma, that starts February 1st, so it starts Wednesday. It's going to be hashtag Show Me Your Flags 23. And her co-host for that one is going to be Crafting with V. And Show Me Your Flags could be anything, as far as anything to do with your state. So flags, state bird, state flowers, or whatever, anything that deals with that. So you should join. And also Sam from Bluntz and Gem is doing, starting February 1st, is doing a event for hashtag Black History Month. So you should check out all three of those ladies. Okay, so Diamond Grandma, Crafting with V, and then Bluntz and Gem. Okay, so this is a canvas that I got from Temu. And I'm just going to open it up here. I'm going to roll it back. I do not know why I love these Starry Night canvases or pictures, Starry Night pictures, but I do. So when I saw this, I thought, oh my God, I have got to have this. So this is Starry Night with Snoopy and Woodstock. Now Woodstock doesn't really show a face, just more of an outline, but we'll see. This is a 35 by 45. And it is a round. It has, almost made a faux pas. It has 20 colors. And just looking at it, it looks really clear. It does have the DMC numbers on it. And it looks like it has letters and some symbols. So there's the thumbnail. And it's, like I said, I don't know why. Every time I see a canvas that has the Starry Night, I want to get it. But when I saw this, I was like, yes, I'm getting this. This was $4.39, I believe. Hold on, I gotta get back to my page. $4.89 on Temu. So like I said, 20 colors. So it's like alphabet and symbols. And and until you start putting the drills down, you can't really know how much of an issue you're going to have. Now they do have like a that slash and then a parentheses I can see that being an issue. And they are close together, like right up in here I'm noticing. And here. Color blocking down in this area and in the doghouse. Looks like probably a lot of confetti up in this area here. Okay. So it comes with your standard kit. Now, if you are new to diamond painting, this is all you need to get you to start this kit. You have your boat, one piece of wax, and then a single placer. Okay. And you guys, I use my boats. I used to didn't use them, but especially if I've got an area that has a lot of confetti, I will pour in the colors, and then what I do is that I put my container with the number or letter on it inside so that I know which one that is, and I kind of circle my little area that I'm working in. So I use my green boats. My pins, I don't. And this, and the wax, I like diamond art wax. I do like it a little bit better. All right, so here, let's look at the drills here. Really pretty colors. Okay. So we have like a gray, kind of a smoky gray, a blue. I love this purple. And a red. Pink and purple are my absolutely favorite colors. And yellow. And the sky blue. 8 is 18. It looks black, but I think it's like maybe a dark blue. And then a green, kind of almost like a dark hunter green. And then like an eggplant. And this is more of a, it's kind of white, again, with that like a blue tinge to it. Another kind of darker green, kind of a lighter green. Oh, this is like a sea foam green, blue, I'm sorry. And pink. And blue, like blue green. And then 2 bags of number 1, which is 3/10. No, 2 bags. So no ABs. I don't know. Maybe the yellow, maybe I might try to enhance that. Or like here's Woodstock. Right here, that's sitting on top of Snoopy, but it's like I said, it's just basically kind of like the outline. You don't really see a facial feature, and so then there's like little yellows, like a dots here and up in here. So I might like try to kind of do yellow enhance there with like some ABs or something, or maybe crystals. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm still not really good at doing changing the colors around, but I'd like to. So I might try to do that. And maybe even outline Snoopy's doghouse with some crystals or something. I don't know if I would do the whole house. I don't know. What do you guys think? Don't put that. Feel free to put in the comment to share if you think that that would be a good idea to outline it or just do the whole house in crystals. I love this. I like I said, I do not know why, but every time I see a Starry Night picture, I want to do it. So when I saw this, I was like, I'm so getting this. Now this is a kind of a stiff background. I mean, the canvas is kind of stiff, but now fairly decent. I like it. I like it. And I think that this would work up really pretty fast. So I don't know exactly when I will get to it, but I am going to do this year. So okay. So that is it. I just wanted to get on here real quick and do my completion. And if you don't have an event that you are going to be, or looking for an event to do, as I said, like I said, Diamond Grandmas and Crafting with B, it's hashtag Show Me Your Flags 23, and then Sam from Bluntz and Gem is doing hashtag Black History Month. So either one of those or both of those would be great. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would please give me a thumbs up on the way out, I would appreciate it immensely. If you would like to belong to my little Struggle Bus family, if you'll hit that subscription button and also hit that bell to be notified every time that I put out a video, I would also appreciate that. Stay warm, you guys. Remember to be kind to one another and keep cool and keep diamond painting. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.